Once you completed the user segment mapping, it's time for your personas. Creating a persona is basically bringing life to your user segment with a name, a picture, and some personal trait. This screen will help you understand the topic well. Read it. Clicking next will bring you to the hub. The hub is basically where all of the user segments that you mapped out before wait for you. Each square represents a different user segment. And by clicking on a square, you start a persona creation process. So, for example, let's pick the Chief Admission Officer. Each persona analysis starts with demographics. You can pick the age range, gender if it makes sense, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, and location. Clicking next, and the system picked a name, an age, and location for you, and it also created a bio for this persona. Read it. See that it makes sense to you. You can always edit the data here. All you have to do is pick a picture. Yeah. And clicking next brings you to the next stage, and that is dealing with the main goal, and then afterwards the pain points, and then the needs. Let's start with the main goal. What's the main goal of the Chief Admission Officer? Maybe streamline housing assignment process or enhance student satisfaction rate. So these are suggestions. If you don't see anything that resonates, you can bring your own. Click other and then bring your own. I like the second one and I'm moving forward. Then pain points. Again, you can come with your own. You should think about the pain points of the Chief Admission Officer in that case, or in your case, your persona or your user. But you can always get help from the AA suggestion. It should give you some ideas. Even if it's not super correct, you can edit it later on. Okay, so for example, mismatched roommates cause conflicts or low student engagement. I pick these two. As said, I can always edit whatever need an update. And these are the pain points. You can add your own. Then we're moving to the needs, and we have functional needs and emotional needs. Functional needs, again, just select ones or bring your own. Don't forget to add emotional needs. Remember, having emotional needs or considering emotional needs are crucial for your success later on in the process. Right, so I'm picking these two, and I'm moving forward, and I have a complete view of my persona with the name, the role, the main goal, the bio, and the demographics, and the pains and the needs that I mapped. Now I have a full persona. Clicking next, bring me to the hub, and I can do many of those for all of the user segments that I mapped out, or I can do that later. So clicking next will bring me to the summary, to all of the users that I mapped, basically all the personas that were created. These are the top ones, and these are the incomplete ones, and these I haven't started just yet. All right, clicking next, bring me to the insights page, and you're gonna see some insights, some general insights on the top here, and some specific insights for each and every persona. These are aimed to, the goal of these insights is to make you think, reiterate, see if there are insights here that correspond with things that you did before and they are wrong, or maybe needs a better declarations or written wrongly. It should make you go back, iterate, and do your work better. Again, general and per persona. And the next screen is all about practicing questions. So again, it's for iteration. These are just for you. You don't have to complete it, but it can help you. Again, questions that investor may ask you in the future. It should solidify your answer. That is important. All right. Once you complete it, you're moving forward. Thanks.